the indefinite direct object is in the nominative form. This means it does not receive any case suffixes. In almost all cases, you will see that the noun of the indefinite direct object remains singular without any plural suffix. For example, when you want to translate I read books into Turkish, since books is in the plural form, you may want to say ben kitaplar okurum, ben kitaplar okurum. However, for such cases, we would say ben kitap okurum, ben kitap okurum without the plural suffix attached to the indefinite direct object. If you say ben kitaplar okurum, we will definitely understand what you mean, but this type of sentence also sounds weird to the native ear. Here is the thing. Again, most of the time, if we need to make the indefinite direct object plural, we use quantifying words. Take a look at this sentence. She took photographs out of her pocket. The literal translation of this is o cebinden fotoğraflar çıkardı. O cebinden fotoğraflar çıkardı. As you see, there is a plural suffix attached to the indefinite direct object in this sentence. This is not totally incorrect, but it is not the common use. You wouldn't hear or use this. If we have to say a sentence like this, we tend to use quantifying words like this. O cebinden birkaç tane fotoğraf çıkardı. O cebinden birkaç tane fotoğraf çıkardı. As you see, now the word fotoğraf is not plural, but there is a quantifying word, birkaç tane. If you have been watching my videos, I mentioned it many times that when a Turkish word is used with a quantifier or numeral, the word itself remains singular, unlike in English. For example, araba. Araba means car. When we want to say cars in Turkish, we attach the plural suffix and we say arabalar. Arabalar. But if you want to say 4 cars in Turkish, then we will say dört araba. Dört araba without any plural suffix attached to the word, as you see. And if you want to say, for example, many cars, then we will say bir sürü araba. Bir sürü araba. Again, there is no plural suffix attached to the word araba, as you see. Thanks again for your time. See you in the next videos.